My name's Vanessa Hunt of Vanessa Hunt Consulting. We're a boutique marketing and CRM consultancy helping small businesses in the Thames Valley and London. I started the company 12 years ago. I've been working for myself, delivering technical training, but I found that there were a lot of companies that are struggling with increasing their presence on social media, and a lot of the social media is related to CRM, so I started helping companies improve their social media presence and train them how to do it themselves. I focus primarily on Facebook because the companies that I'm generally working with are in the B2C market. So we work with Facebook, possibly Instagram and Twitter alongside that. So I don't just sell training on Facebook, it's any social media platform, but primarily the ones that are most popular, and of course the ones that provide the most tools that are useful for small businesses are Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn as well. The main challenges that businesses face are simply not knowing what to share in terms of content. They know how to click and what to do, but they don't know how to communicate their marketing message very clearly. I wrote a book called Facebook Inspiration to help them come up with ideas that are more creative and help them stand out for the crowd. Also, the challenge is time. People just don't have a lot of time to dedicate to marketing, so they like to outsource, but they don't have the budget to outsource to the most effective companies. So I really concentrate on enabling people to do it themselves with a fairly small, limited budget and doing it in an efficient way to save them time. The majority of people that I work with do tend to be female because they are running their own business for a flexible work life. So I might work with a one-woman band and concentrate on how she can improve her message and share her blogging and her website details more effectively. But I also work with improving the blogging skills of medium-sized businesses. So I might go in and deliver a personalised training session on blogging to a larger company, which is then incorporated into their existing presence, like their website, and really tailoring the skills so that the company's benefiting from more people engaging and not just relying on one marketing person to do everything. Here at B2C, Marketing Expo, we are running a cafe, Vanessa's Facebook Cafe. A lot of the training that I do for smaller companies is very informal, so we might meet in a hotel or a cafe locally, just because it's convenient and we can then really maximise the time that we spend together. So I just wanted to recreate an environment that was comfortable and inviting for people so that they could really feel relaxed and ask the right kinds of questions to get what they need today. I decided to choose 3 topics which are of most interest to me and which I think can really benefit small companies. So today I've been teaching taster sessions on how to use insights in Facebook, so how to interpret and analyse what's happening on your page, how to use the events feature, which is something that's pretty much underutilised but really important for local businesses. And then thirdly, we've also been talking about boosting your posts. So how can you really test your audience before you start spending more money on advertising? I really love teaching and sharing knowledge. I love helping people find the lifestyle that they want, and part of that is down to their work-life balance. So using things like Facebook and the digital marketing tools out there really gives you a lot more time in your day. But yeah, what I like is when you get that light bulb moment where you've just, I know that's cliche, but you get that light bulb moment where people just have one special idea that they know that they want to go away and try. And actually, what I love most, particularly about my book that I wrote, Facebook Inspiration, is, I wrote it using my experience and I'm trying to prompt ideas from others, and what I really like seeing is how creative other people really can be, which I know, but actually seeing it and seeing the content they're sharing really gets me excited, because I feel like it's unleashed some creativity that they maybe didn't know they had.